Hey guys, it's So Basic, coming back with another video. Today we're going to learn how to use Microsoft Office for free. That's right guys, free is the main word. First thing you want to do is go to your internet. Then you'll just type in outlook.com. Now I'm already signed in, but if you don't have an account, let me sign out and show you. This is the screen that pops up. You'll click sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can click create free account. Once you're done creating a free account, you'll just sign in. Let me pause the video quickly while I sign in. And we're back. Now, this is your normal email screen for Outlook.com. What you'll do is you'll go to the top left corner, the app launcher. Looks like a bunch of little circles into a square. Click on that. It brings up the apps. Now, here you have your Microsoft Office applications. Now, because this is not a full version, you only have a select few that you can use, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. Everybody's favorite, we'll click on Word first. Now, because I've used this before, the screen pops up. Don't worry about that. I have to click it one more time. And it brings us here. And we'll click on Word again. There we go. Now, we're just going to create first a brand new blank document. Now this free Microsoft Office is perfect for a student or just someone who can't really afford the full version of Office yet. You'll just type up whatever you need. Once you're done typing that up, once you're done with your document, you go to File, Save As, and you can save as a PDF. Download a copy to your computer. Highly recommend that one. Or save it as a copy to your OneDrive. We'll go back. Go back up to the squares once you're done. Try one of the other apps. PowerPoint. Wait while that opens. There we go. You have a couple of free designs, but we'll start a brand new blank presentation. And looks very similar to the regular application. We'll save that the same way. File. Save a copy. You can save it to the OneDrive. Or download as. Same way. Go back. That is basically how you use Microsoft Office for free. You can try Excel if you want to. They have many other ones, But that is basically how you use the main applications of Office, Word, and PowerPoint. Thank you for watching today's video. It wasn't that so basic.